Welcome again everybody to the Camtasia Studio. Now I'm again importing my previous created videos. Just drag it in the timeline and the next thing we want to discuss is about callouts. These are the callouts that we want to use in our video and for what duration and what purposes we are using these callouts. There are the different shapes and types of callouts like legacy callouts, special callouts, sketch motions, shapes, and shapes with the text. We use shapes with the text when we want to add something in the form of text we had not explained in our voice in the video, like if there is something like I want to show you that these TechSmith are the developers of this software and I have not asked this in my video, so I'm using this callout. This. And here at this I can edit it like this. And I can drag it here like this. And I can talk these are the developers of this software. I can decrease my font size like this at 8, selecting it all and pressing it. No, it is too small. I'm pressing it 15 and I'm increasing this. Now this. Now I can drag it here and I can also use it at here. You can see that at this, and I can also increase this font size. In this way I can use these callouts. You can see that. This is the way that I can use my callout. No problem where you want to show that like this. It will automatically indicate that these are the developers of this software and person will indicate. Now going to add that for what time they will display for this callout. I'm zooming this to showing for what seconds. It is showing that it is about 8 seconds they will display it. But I want to show that it is just for only 2 seconds like this. When I will play it like this, I'm playing, it will play a sound of my old voice. Don't understand that I'm saying again and again. For OS. And you can see that this is fade out and it is completely disappear, and I can also set it for up to 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and for what duration I want. So in this way we can use different callouts, and we can use same option at here, the fill option like this, and we can also add some effects and also transparency, and also we can use some effects like this. The border that is white, I can color it from this, and the text color I can also change my font size. I can also make my text bold and italics. So this is the function of callouts, the callout we use. The other thing we use callout is I can again add this callout. If you want to remove this callout, simply select it and press delete button from your keyboard. It will delete it. And you can also press remove callout from here. And if you want to add some other callout like this, add callout. Add here. You can select your callout. Sometime you go to in your video in your sign-in account and you want to hide that sign-in account. Simply click blur and you can this. If you are using mostly sign in details are on the top right corner, so select this, and this is the blur callout that for 1 second you want to blur your video. So it will blur the details. No one can't understand that what is written behind this, and in this way it will save your idea when you will use. If you want to highlight something, then use this. Other video will be faded and this will be lightened. And if you want to blur it, then this is for color blur out. And if you want to color it, like if you want to color something at this, you can color it. You can change your fill color like this in the red. I'm selecting in the red, so it will make a screen for full red like this. So in this way you can use your callout option to add different effects, and using your indicating something that you have missed in your video. If you want to blur it, then you can use it. You can also use this option, like that is, I want to say that this is a tick option that you want to use for Mac OS. You can, like, this is the tick option, and if you want to hide something like this, so you can also use it. So these are different callout. You can use these callouts at your own requirement. So the callout option is over. So next option is about zoom and pan. For what purposes we use zoom and pan. So stay tuned.